Hell yeah.
What's going on? Cuts by Reggie back with another video. Today we're just gonna go over some I guess color enhancement tips. I didn't show the whole haircut because that's not what the video is focusing on, but as you can see, I do show the lineup just so I can show a little bit of the starting process before you actually get into the color enhancements, the fibers or whatever that you're using. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share the videos. Like the videos if you like them, thumbs down if you don't. All right, as you can see here, I'm just going through with my Gold FXs, one of my favorite trimmers on the market right now, and just tapping and go, getting this lineup together before I actually go in with the fibers or with the color enhancement and fibers and everything else that we're going to add to this haircut. And I know that's a big topic of discussion, whether you should use enhancements or you don't need them. People talk about the color pencil, and it's really up to the client. You know what I mean? Like, if you are a barber and you have somewhat mastered the haircut portion of your career, and the color enhancements are a big thing now on the market, and you get enough clients asking for it, I don't see nothing wrong with actually trying it. I do understand to an extent some barbers think it might be, some people might go overboard, but whatever it takes to get the client the look that they are trying to achieve, I don't see anything wrong with it. You get what I'm saying? As you can see, his hairline up front is not the best. It's light up front, but we still do want to keep it up as far as possible, especially as we getting older. My lineup is just gone, you know what I mean? It's just gone. So if we can save somebody else's line, that's what we gonna do. Making sure that we're using our corners once we curving, putting the C's in. Here we are, because as you can see, it is curled up, so we are putting in a product to make sure that we're keeping the hair moist. And when you put it in, you can just put it on the top if you want. Me personally, I like to go in and kind of make sure that I get it all through the hair, massage it if you will. You get what I'm saying? Make sure you got enough in there. This is the cream that I use. It's Tropical Roots by Browner Brothers. It's one of the, I won't say the best, but I like it. And this curl sponge here is it's not really a sponge. It's more of a durable material. I don't even know what material it is, like a rubber material, but it's easier to clean, and you can get some good curls in, and it's you don't have to worry about the sponge factor. You get what I'm saying? And when you are doing this, make sure that you're going in the same direction. I know a lot of us already know this, but if you go in the opposite directions, you're never going to get the coils that certain people are looking for. You're gonna curl it up and then uncurl it going the opposite direction. So you want to make sure you're always going in the same direction. And here I'm just knocking off a little wilds. He's not taking anything down, but I like to curl it first and then get some of the wilds off it, give it a better look to me. Because I would, even if I did it before I curled it, I would still do it again. And right here, I like to make sure that the client can see their hairline before I do put enhancements on it. And I'll ask them again, do you want to use enhancements? As you can see, he has a line and everything is good. This is the color that I use. Either it's brown and black or the onyx black from Tomb 45. This is the pivot enhancement card. And you just want to make sure that you're shaking it up good. On him, since he got a lighter skin, the darker the skin, if it was darker, I would use the black onyx. With him, I'm gonna use the black brown. And as you can see, this is why I like this enhancement card, because it goes right into the point and the C's around the lineup. It goes right on there perfectly. So you're not overspraying anywhere you don't want it to be. You get what I'm saying? And when you spraying, you want to make sure you're a little bit back, maybe 6-7 inches back. You know what I mean? You don't want to be too close on the head. And as you can see, I'm not continuously spraying. If you just tap it and not let too much come out at one time, it leaves it it don't leave it too dark. You know what I'm saying? If you do a continuous spray, it's just going to pile up and you're just painting in one area trying to go back and forth. So I like to tap mine a little bit just so it's not all in one place at one time. I love this enhancement card. I'll leave the link down below where you can get this from. The company is called The Pivot. But as you can see, like when I'm going across the front lineup, that front shelf is long enough to just, I don't know, it gives me more room when I'm trying to do that front lineup. You get what I'm saying? So that's why I like it. We just give it a little extra spray. As you can see, we already getting in there. He see himself looking nice. You can put that curved part right there on the C's. And I don't usually spray the beard, but here we are. Usually I use the Pacino's pencil, but I was out of it at this day. So I am just spraying it a little bit. And as you can see, I'm just tapping it. I'm not continuous spraying it because I don't want it to be too dark. That's when some people will say the enhancements are going too far. You putting it on too dark. As you can see, it's not crazy piled on. You get what I'm saying? And we'll go to the other side and do the same thing. Why am I squinting like that? Like it's a homework. It's like a science project. I got glasses on and still squinting hard. And you take that other side, just put it on the back of that beard, hit that line a little bit. Again, not continuous spraying, you just tapping it. And here we are with fibers, again, using just the brown. With the fibers, I definitely don't use the fibers on the beard unless somebody asks me to, but I don't. But you just want to spray a little bit. Don't overspray it. The fibers is just, I like to do the layering of it. So you put the color on. First of all, the Tune 45 color lasts a little bit longer, especially fibers. Fibers don't last too long. So once the fibers start coming off, you definitely still want people to see a line there, especially if they have a light front lining. You get what I'm saying? So that's why I double up. And this is the spray that I use. I use it for my lineups, and I also use it for to hold on the fibers. I'll leave the link down below for where you can order this as well. And again, you're not spraying a lot. You're just putting enough on there that it can, it can put everything in hold. And then you just want to blow dry it with cool air. Make sure that it's cool. You don't want too hot on the forehead. Everything start running and messing up. So then I'm gonna take my trimmers, just kind of clean up the extra. He feeling himself. He's super feeling himself. But you want to clean up the excess, any color that might be out of the ordinary, especially after you put the fibers on. Take your razor, push back to the lineup. I see a lot of people, they shave away from the lineup, and if that works, by all means do what you do. That's not what I'm saying, but in my opinion, I feel like it works better coming to the lineup where you pushing everything, to the line. It just makes it pop out for me and looks a little bit more crispier. I won't say crispier because I've seen people do the other direction and look just fine, but this is how I do it. Hold their head back a little bit and just push to the line. Then up under the neck, I'll just take a trimmer that's not so sharp. It's not zero gap. And I'm just gonna clean up the neck area. The neck is very sensitive, so you don't always, especially on lighter skin clients, you don't want to use your sharp trimmers. Then we're gonna go with my big shears, my 10-inch shears, and just clean up the wows a little bit. And that's just the finished haircut. I just wanted to show the color enhancement process. If you like the video, thumbs up the video. If you dislike the video, thumbs down. Comment, like, share, subscribe, and we'll be back with another one. Peace.
I felt like a Spanish, like a Puerto Rican in this hair. I felt Puerto Rican.